As you can see here, we're removing all the unnecessary stuff from the trunk. We're gonna add some new fuel components. We're gonna change the dry sump tank and we're gonna change the radiator. So just now we're trying to remove all the unnecessary stuff. We're gonna find location for everything, like this dry sump tank. Gonna be mounted something like this. I just sent brackets away to my friend Jesper Jumisko. He's gonna help modify this clamp so we can attach the breather tank to it and also attach it to the car. So that's gonna be fabricated this week. Besides that, we're also gonna try to get a good mounting spot here for the new fuel catch tank, surge tank from New Performance. And we're also working on a mount for the New Performance fuel filter. So right now, cut away everything, make it clean, make it ready for some fabrication. So let's go. Well, as you can see here, we were talking about mounting the fuel filter. This is how it's supposed to be put together when it's done. And we were hoping to mount the fuel filter like this. We wanted to sit something like this. We're going to use the outer mounts here for the tank. And also going to try to get a bolt in here. And luckily, as you see here, there's like a small groove here for mounting the tank, so that will give us perfect amount of room to get a bolt inside there. So we're gonna bolt in the original tank holes, and we're also gonna make two new ones and have a bolt come up from there. Makes a nice installation and easy to come and change the filter because it's gonna be available too. Pretty easy. So I think that's gonna be good. So there you go. We mounted two brackets. We used a low bolt here to make sure it doesn't rub against the tank, and we'll check the clearance so it's okay. These ones are just temporary to just look at how it mounts up. So I'm gonna fit that here, like that. Then we have the filter. Perfect. Yeah, we have clearance and everything looks good. So that's one test done. Perfect.